Hala,
Putang ina!
sagutan.
Putang ina mo! Putang ina!
Hi! Okay, what really happened that night? I don't know. So, hello sa inyo guys. So, maglalaro naman tayo ng PisoNet. Di pa dun lalaro. Horror game. So, adjust muna natin yung sensitive and medium. Medium, right? Medium siguro. Natin. Okay. Then, 192. Ano yan? Sensitivity. Okay, play. Case number 0457. Purok 2 PisoNet. Subject Jeff A. Santos. Friend of missing person. October 20, 2018. Subtle feeling. Okay. Use mouse to look. Look. Oh, so yun o. Tutor ako. Hello guys. Hey you. CCTV. PC1 off. PC2 on. Okay. PC3. Look. Okay. Saan ang gagawin? Hihintay lang ganun. Saan man magulat ako dali ha? Magulat lang? Hello? Lock. Unsa? Run out? Yan, nag-run out. Hi! Ayan ni mo, Jepoy. That one got your leg right. Ako tabi kay kagnaong, Jep. Sumbaga, medyo takaran, Jep. Hawa. Very funny. Sirang mo. Anyway, you dismiss soldier. We're gonna arrange the chair. Then I leave you. Nugo ra. Bagay taron. Oh, here I comes twice more. Yes, bagay. Ili. Apit ba mo lupa dong kalan jeep ha. Sama ni. Use at tres man bay. Gi. Ugli ka na dong. Batayon lang. Tanda jig bol. Uy. Si chat si Muyab uy. Ili ka chatan lagi anak. Sana. Tutup. Si Kindog dra jeep. Kabangi ko dra gipos jeep. Kaya nang gawas sa mga bata jeep oh. Gawas na jeep. Sa may jeep. Yata. Slapos mang wire da. Okay. Tayo good. 63 dadong. Yung pildi ligam gana. So, yun at ni. Ay. Anong computer? Off na. Muli na ko. Hey, Sim, by tomorrow. Sure, I'll be here. He started a part-time job at our local kitchenette to earn some income. Lately, he felt something strange, like someone else watching him. They say some people are medium sensitive to things beyond he don't want that. Okay. But on the night when he is on duty, reverse, the air changes. Something nanotot. Something watches. And he can feel it. Wow. Stalker, stalker. October 26, 2018. First encounter. Slow today. Wala bang trap ng ano? Isonet. Bankrupt niya yan eh. Business was slow daw. So, ni. Ayun, kabalalit ang sound nila. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Dang, nostalgic. Ito ni. Press keyboard. Stop music. Okay. Time to arrange the chair. Sige, ramdag arrange the chair doon. Na, arrange. Mahawagan ng pisonet yan eh. Arrange yung chair dahan. Panukulod na mga bataan mo ron. Ano ba? Be responsible. Okay. Ay puta. Ako na nang gi-arrange nila ba? Yung pa diyang gibuskag. So, bagayon na kang bata ka ron. I just have to get the part from the shelf. Uy, yan eh. Day lang. Goods, goods, goods. Na, goods. Yan lang gid isa ba? Wala, goods. Ito isa. Na. Arrange na. Saman, okay na? Lagagi. Napunder. Sumni, ring. Dong. Dong, sirado na mong computeran dong. Oh, ari yun. Sama dong. Tapos 9 no, pingitan ako sa mama, bunalan ka to ron. Dong. Ay. He can't forget what happened that night, and since then he always felt wak na. Isakay ng bata sa likod. He took his leave and rested few days. Since he said he could not afford to lose job, he forced himself to go back to work. Gisakyan na kag bata eh. Okay na sa likod, basta ila sa tiyan niya. He kept getting angry. Na, too hard to talk to. High blood pa ka. He became distant. Tora. Wala ganin naman oh. Nya. Kasi na. October 29, 2018. The Presence. Ooh. I feel that. Simon. Sigli ra. So, Jeff. Isa ka na, Jeff. Kira po, Jeff. Saan naman ka? Kaulion na kayo, ha? Almost there for me. Gaya ni mo Jeep, uy. Bunalan mata kag bangko ron Jeep, dugay kay ka Jeep. Unsa di ka sa balay ay. Dugay mga ka. Ito diri ah. Say weird. Alam lagi weird. Hey. Ya, sanita ba? Oh, I am too tired for this. Today. Eh, ano sa mga bangko? So, yung dula doy. Ay, duta na may. Yung assignment. Again. Wala na himo. Sa minik. CF ko. Hey, CF. Hinar, magkana. Wala man ganyan lihok. Adlo ko siguro ko mag-rank. Ayusan, magkulot doy eh. Pinaabatar naman. Batar kayo ba? Oh, grabe. Wala na, wala kagipakan sa mga maestra doy. Na. K. Yan, susunod. Tagak din. Wow, pansit kanton. Noodles. Cushion. Nya. Hala. Nagibiyaag uyab dito. Sa PC5. Don't care dong. Kira na madala raman na gano'n. Madala raman nag-smile. Balikan na day ka ganyan ta. Balikan na kasi uyab. Agad. Kay marupok din. Hindi, joke lang. Dong. Kaya nagilak na doon. Kira naman. Gara nag-smile. Kaya do bulak. Yung chocolate ba? Hala.
Putang ina!
Ay, putan.
Putang ina mo! Putang ina! Putang ina ka! Wala ka talaga!
Baka, uy.
Magbungkay ka! Putang ina!
Utang yung malabayan ng bangko.
Magbungkay ka na lang!
Utang inang bitaw kung malabayan ng bangko. Saba kayo mga. Please be quiet on my computer. Siya. Okay. Sabot. He knows what he saw. A child bruised and tears. But he still does not understand what the boy wants from him. Okay. He has no choice. He is the only one that can see him. Okay. So, na ko third eye ani di ay. Third eye. Maybe this is the reason he was given ability is that finally he exists. Okay. He pulled himself together. Wow. He overcome his fear. He only wanted to help him. November 1, 2018. The mistake. Oh. Okay, be brave. I can do this. Yes, I can do it. I'm here, show yourself. Saman, di ba kita? Hindi. I want to help you. Show yourself now, show. If that what you want. Bayan tayo pancit kanto, di ko makikita. Ano, yes, son, yung Warcraft ba? Arrange na po. Yung before you leave, arrange the chair. O, give back, arrange siya. Hindi, pagbuklon ba taa, oy? Sa mani? Release tournament. Hey, I'm not professional on that. Never mind. Warcraft. So, Jeff. Saan ka, Jeff? Wala na, ponder na po. Siya naman yung Peter Shapley.
Good job. I am so proud
Good job.
of you.
I'm so proud of you. Ha? Amiya! Shum, no, man, no. Kiss man. Kaya ba pa yung kiss ba? Ano? Joke, why joke na bitaw tayo. Balik. Kung di ka gusto balikan ni mo yan, ano yun, nagpangal. Yan, kalat rapog ka dala. Wala na. Sana po ni. Newspaper. Authorized suspect foul play, shop owner, uncle, under investigation. Purok Dos, Manila. A young boy whose identity is still unknown was found dead lately Tuesday evening of Zamzong Liham. Kuya basa eh. Child found dead local pisonet shop in Purok Dos. So diri siya namatay day. Kaya good. Yeah. Old was discovered alone in several business and broken bones and height. Uy, noon study eh. Noon nabalik may yung bukog rin. Hindi ko rin makabuking bones and prior abuse. This thunder hill faint cries coming from the shop. Before the boy was found, lifeless under one of the computer desks, the shop of owner claims to have no knowledge of the child presence of the cause of his injury. Isa rin patay at bata. Ponder na gad. Nangubak pag gano'n. Mahal ba yung palitan? Ito. Talaga nag-click. Hello? Anybody here? Kaman? Nasa kong likod niya. Kokoa kuchi piya sunmira. Up. Up. Hala. Up. Ah! Ay, uy. Nalagi ka mo takong dalunggan. Oh my God. I tried asking around but no one had seen him. Not a single trace. Customer complained about strange rotten smell. Ayun, yeah. Sa din mong lubong day. So just everywhere could never imagine. It would be always so this goes ring. Yun, Pisonet. Nice game. Story by Aldrin Evangelista. Hey, no. Alvin Evangelista. Basta ni wala nagnanasaan. And I feel music, guys. Ang ganda mo. Okay, thanks for playing. Ba tayo? Kasi katawa na. Manang doon. Hindi na ko i-blow pa. Sumbagayan parang. Help us understand what really happened that night. So, ayun nga guys. No? Okay naman. Okay yung graphics, yung story, okay rin. Kung siguro pag i-update to, nako, nakakatakot pa to. So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching and please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.